I ordered 3D MAXpider all-weather floor mats for my BMW i3 2015, and so this is the unboxing of the package. It comes in this brown box which just has shipping labels on it, so I will start opening it now. Alright, so it looks like the mats are in here. Just gonna pull them out. At the bottom of the box there was this user manual for 3D custom fit floor liners. And it just shows you how to properly install it in many different languages. So I'm thinking it's just one page. This page for English, and that's it. So I'll just take them out of this bag just to show you what's included. So this looks like the driver's side floor mat. This looks like the passenger side floor mat, front passenger. Ouch! Oh my gosh. Be careful when handling the back of these. They're prickly. I just got poked. This is for the front middle. That just goes in front of the storage unit. And then here's the rear. The rear comes in one piece. So that would be the left rear passenger, the middle, and the right rear passenger. There is no seat in the middle, so in the middle there's just cup holders. It's a 4-passenger car, so that's it. You get the rear mat, you get the middle one, and the driver's side mat, and this is the passenger front side mat. I'll go in and install them and show you how they look after.